I just received this box from Ford Performance. Um, I bought the car back in November 25th. Today is December 10th. So it's been about 3 weeks roughly in between I signed and the day I got the box here. So I'm gonna open it up and check it out to see if there's any difference in this owner's supplement guide in compared to the previous years. The box already looks different. I think in previous years it was a blue color, or it might have been a black color if I'm not mistaken. This is a 2020 Shelby GT350 owner's supplement. How do we open this? Oh, wow, that's neat. Let's see, what is this? Ford Performance Shelby. Comes with the letter. Dear Shelby GT350 owner, congratulations and welcome to a very exclusive group as an owner of a Shelby GT350 Mustang. I'm not gonna get into reading all that, but there it is. There's the letter. You guys can pause it. And we got this nice picture. I wish it was all in black, like my car. Really nice. I think this is the same pretty much as the previous years. It does say right here, Ford Motor Company certifies that vehicle identification number 1FA6P8JZ4L5550154 is a limited edition. 2019, this is wrong. This should be 2020 Shelby GT350 Mustang, produced at the Flat Rock Assembly Plant. This vehicle is a chassis L0095 of the 2019 production run. So they did get the chassis number correct, but the year they got it wrong. It's okay. I'm not gonna return the car because of that. Very cool. Let's see, what is this? GT350. Ford Shelby GT350 Owner's Edition. Looks like you can order a plaque. Nothing's really changed on this page from what I've seen. But they're asking $500 for this. Let's see what else. Want to become a part of Ford history? Now you can get your photo printed in the fan album section of the official licensed Ford collection. Limited space available. Okay, something cool. Might look into it. No. It's a cool book, hardcover. The 2020 Shelby GT350. I believe last year, I think it was a blue GT350 with the black cover. That's what it was on the last year's book. Let's see. It's gonna flip through the pages. I think everything else is pretty much the same. 2020 Shelby GT350. I think this is pretty much the same. Very cool book, for sure. I'll read it. I like the way this whole box is packaged. Very, Very professionally, very well done. Whoa, whoa. What is this? Wow, I get to actually hold one in person. I've only seen this in the videos. Very cool. How does this go? Like that? That is cool. It's got the chassis number on there. So, everything's correct. As far as the chassis number. Oh, this is cool. A USB. The Shelby GT350. What else? Oh, what's this? Let's check this out. Wow. This is cool. This is going up in my office. 2020 Shelby GT350. Again, I wish it came in black, but very cool nonetheless. Very cool. Well, just wanted to do a quick video to see if there was any actual changes. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas. Check out the Christmas tree right here. Thank you. Bye.